guys, welcome back to My Time 123, and today we're making another cool video. And if you don't know about Zax, I actually made it myself. Okay, so today we're going to build something small with a little bit of wooden disc to help. That's from you. So guys, if you follow me up, we're going to go up a little to this big. This building was near my house. I told her it was fun sometime. So, this seems like a nice place. Now, the place I normally go to is the path end there. Follow up. Watch out, dog. Watch out, guys. A lot of dogs come here. A lot of dogs come here. And we have made it. There's no what do you call it? Sticks. Well, we've made it. So, if you just follow me here to this tree. This is a nice tree. Nice. But before we get into the crazy stuff, I'm going to put this down. I'm going to come here a sec. Because let me tell you something. If you think I can't climb a tree, then just see me right now. Okay. So I'm up here, guys. I'm up here, and if you want to find a relaxing, this is a relaxing spot. Relaxing. But I have to make a video, so I have to get back to work. I can't relax today. So we got some of this. So now we're gonna book it up. Oh, we gotta do this. I can't believe it's off. So look at what we've done. Mess. Now let's try this. Now hold it. Successful. Now look at me down here, and let's try this again. Okay. Okay, we really have to break this. I need this for a build, so fine. Since I can't break this, let's just get building. So let's pretend this is a screw, and we're gonna. That is hard. Let's find a piece that is smaller. Let's pretend this is a screw. Let's screw that in. Oh my god, I'm actually digging it under. Come closer, guys. Come closer. So guys, I've did that like 1,000 times. We got that little digged under, guys. And now we're gonna get this little stick, and we're gonna dig that, and we're gonna do the same to this one. This is the same thing. And they're not perfectly digged. And now we're going to take this out. And now we've got a little hole there. So now we're going to put this more in carefully. And there. To be honest, it's not really that good. Let's cover up with some leaves. I'm not the best at building. So did take sticks off it. I'm sorry, nature. This is clearly for science. It's for science. It's for science. This is for science, tree. Listen up, tree. You think you're good? This is for science. Oh, fine. Nature, stay alive. Okay, guys. Let's go back to the actual building because I think we've done enough testing now. So let's go back to the actual building. Oh, come on. Whoa, get that, guys. Nature. Isn't nature perfect? Please. If you fucking show me again, please, I'll smash you down. Well, if I smash you down, they were gonna hit you. Okay. So, let's find this thing. So this thing looks like a nice source of weed. Yeah, I'm not gonna do it. Okay, guys, let's find. Guys, I found a jackpot. Jackpot. Guys, oh my god, I found the jackpot. The hell did this come from? Oh my god, lay this down. That's not blinking. That's not blinking. That's hard. This is literally a jackpot. Where did this come from? And why is it so damn light? Put it down. Whoop. Yep, so because I can't blink that. And just look at that view. Oh, we've got to get this on camera. Just look at that view. Oh, that's something you want to see in nature. Oh. We're here, and now just be careful or you're going to fall. And we've made it. Now we have to be careful because we made it to the jackpot. Now here, the last time we came here, I left it here. Now we've got to be careful. The rising. And I left it. The last time I came here, guys, I left it here. So guys, the last time I came here, I got this. I left it here. So careful. Okay, guys, this is not breaking apart. Let's try to move. Okay, guys, because this is not breaking, seriously, it is not breaking. Yeah. We are stick. Bye, stick. I can get you next time in part 2. Okay, guys, let's just try here. Our mission for this video is just break off a piece of a tree with this. And if I don't, I'll just make sure that this is just weak. Okay? Let's try now. Camera, sir. Camera. Okay, zoom camera. Yep. Our camera's not working today. Oh. Yes! I got a piece of a tree! Useless. doing close? Oh, guys, the mission of this video is to take off a piece of a tree. And right now it is mission failure. I do not have COVID. Please don't tell me mission has failed. Okay guys, since that tree is not on our leg, one more action to you. Oh guys, seriously, you can't do this from this far. You gotta come closer. Come closer. Now, because I can't get a piece of the tree, I'm not doing this anymore. This tree doesn't work. Let's just go to the tree before. I can't get something off one of these trees. We just have to leave it to part 2. Oh, here we go. This tree. Yes, yes, yes. The tree has up a bit. So guys, because I can't get a tree off, guys, yeah, we're gonna have to end the video here, guys. Guys, subscribe. We need 500 subscribers, guys. Click the like button and comment if you have a disagreement with me. I say relax now. End the video.